In this video, I'll share with you how to make a natural and super effective hair lightener. To achieve light colored hair, you first need to lighten it. In the next video, I'll show you how to make dye for light hair. This recipe requires dried chamomile flowers. Among its benefits for hair, chamomile stands out for its ability to lighten it naturally and gradually. Chamomile contains flavonoids like apigenin and azulene, which have lightening properties and help give hair a lighter tone. If you don't have chamomile flowers, you can use 6 chamomile tea bags. We will also use 750 milliliters of water. What are we going to boil? Once it has boiled, we wait a little and add the chamomile. 4 big tablespoons. We let the chamomile steep for 30 minutes and then strain it. We are going to use a gauze cloth to strain it. It's the fabric that was traditionally used to make diapers. This cloth will allow you to drain the flowers very well, squeeze them and make the most of them. Chamomile has been used to lighten hair since the Middle Ages. The ancient Egyptians, Greeks and Romans already used it. Honey contains small amounts of hydrogen peroxide, a natural lightening agent that helps gradually lighten hair. In addition, it hydrates, nourishes and strengthens the hair, prevents hair loss and reduces frizz. I added a tablespoon of honey to a container. I add some of the chamomile infusion we already made, now at room temperature. This way, all the ingredients will mix better. The citric acid in the lemon opens the hair cuticles and penetrates the cortex, where it works by lightening the natural pigments of the hair. It adds shine and has exfoliating properties that help remove dead cells from the scalp. This helps prevent dandruff. We add the juice of half a lemon to the mixture. Vinegar contains acetic acid, which helps lighten the hair, but above all, vinegar helps balance the hair's pH. We also add 2 TBSP apple cider vinegar. I would really love it if you left me a comment. Which country are you watching us from? Now we mix it with the remaining chamomile infusion. Once we mix the ingredients well, we put them in a spray bottle or atomizer. We are going to apply the lightener whenever possible, 3 or 4 times a week, and then we will keep the lightener in our hair for as long as possible. Also, for a better result, after putting it on, we'll go out in the sun, in the morning while we sunbathe, or in the afternoon while we do our chores in the garden. If you don't have time, you could put it on during the weekends and leave it on as long as possible. And if you can't be in the sun, could you still put it on? And then put on a hair cap or a bag and leave it on for as long as possible. I'll show you how to apply this mixture. Just like in the previous video, I can't show you the results because you only get results after applying it several times. Remember that this is a natural treatment and it can't be immediate, it doesn't have any chemicals. The results are progressive and they will also depend on how consistent you are and how many times you apply it, whether or not you go out in the sun. The lightener works, I've been using it for a long time and now I want to show you exactly how to apply it. Here comes my daughter who's going to help us so I can show you how to apply it. And now she wants to try it and lighten her hair. So we can show you her results on Instagram. When I'm uploading photos if you want, let me know. Let me know in the comments if you want and we can post photo updates about her progress. With this one, you saw that she has a color. I'm not sure if you can see it on camera, but it's a color like brown, dark brown, it could be. If it's black. The lightener doesn't work anymore. If you have very dark hair, it's difficult. But once you start seeing some highlights in your hair, that means it will work. It will lighten. 2 shades lighter or less? Okay, we separate it into sections and apply it like this. She can apply it herself. The idea is to wet all the hair. It has a wonderful scent. If you ask me if it's sticky, no, it's not sticky because the way we made it, the honey dissolves well and it doesn't feel sticky at all. And you can do it with dried chamomile. It's better, much better than with the tea bags. If you use this mixture frequently, as you should to lighten your hair, keep in mind that you'll need to moisturize your hair a lot because it will dry it out. Remember, it works especially with the sun. If your hair is already very dry or sensitive, I recommend that you don't put lemon on it. You saw we made this amount, which will last us for several applications, and we can store it in the fridge, and in the fridge it will last us about 7 days. Well, once it's completely wet, it's best to go out in the sun. If you can't get some sun for any reason, or you can't go out in the sun because of time or whatever, you put a little clip on it, a hair cap, and leave it on for as long as possible. Ideally, as I was saying, is to go out in the sun.